Hey guys, now we are going to solve question 25. Let's see what the question states. A box contains 15 green and 10 yellow balls. If 10 balls are randomly drawn one by one with replacement, then the variance of the number of green balls drawn is. So first let's start with the things which are given to us. We can see that we have 15 green balls, 10 yellow balls, and 10 balls are drawn. So simply n is going to be equal to 10. Now we will be computing p, and p is regarded as the probability of drawing a green ball. So number of green balls are 15 upon total number of balls, that is 15 plus 10, that is 25, that is 15 upon 25. Similarly, we have to calculate Q, and Q is the probability of drawing a yellow ball, and that would be 10 upon 10 plus 15, that is simply 10 by 25. Now we got the values of N, P and Q, so we can simply calculate the variance by the formula N into P into Q, and further you can simplify these terms, so P can be equal to 3 by 5 and Q can be equal to 2 by 5 simply. Now we have to calculate variance, so simply it is 10 into 3 by 5 into 2 by 5, and which can be further reduced to 10 into 6 by 5, 6 by 25, and if we further reduce it, it would be like this, that is 12 by 5, and we look with the options, option 4 is our correct one.